Hi Crafty friends, Melissa Minor here. Thank you so much for joining me on my YouTube channel. Today I'm going to be working with a sketch that's part of the Sketches 2024 class taught by Allison Davis through the Scrapbook and Cards.by Magazine. Now this class runs all year long and there's a new class with a new sketch every month. I do have a playlist on my channel for each of my videos. Now each of these are my interpretation of Allison's sketch. I can't show you the actual sketch since it's a paid class, but you can access the sketches if you sign up using the link that I have provided down below in the description box. All products that I use today will also have affiliate links, and I appreciate any time you shop my links as that helps support me and my YouTube channel. I want to thank Scrapbook and Cards.by Magazine as they gifted me the products that I'm using today. I shared one of my layouts in their Facebook group and I was chosen by random drawing to receive a prize. And so I'm super excited to be working with these products as this is a new to me brand. So the products I'm using today are from LDRS Creative and these are gorgeous. So I'm super excited that they sent them. This first one here, this is the Beautiful Day 63 pieces of icon ephemera. There's butterflies and birds. You'll see a tree, a fence, some florals, some little banner pieces. Super cute. I love the bright colors. And this is 35 pieces of tag ephemera, again from the Beautiful Day collection. I love that little one that says love of my life. There's happy little moments, follow your heart, you are my happy, love you so very much. So super cute. And then this I think is my favorite, 37 pieces of floral ephemera. Gorgeous florals and leaves and some butterflies. So I'm really excited to use these on today's project. Let me show you the paper pack. So this, you receive 12 sheets. It's 12 double-sided sheets, 2 of each design, and they are absolutely gorgeous. So this is 12 by 12 paper, and you can see here there's florals on one side and then this beautiful green pattern on the other. Here's some butterflies, and then we have this pink pattern. So pretty. Then we have little cut-aparts here. And on the back of that, this gorgeous like periwinkle blue floral piece. And I love this one, just butterflies, or not butterflies, rainbows. I think there are some butterflies on there too, but just so pretty. Sunshine, and then the back side is that pretty teal florals. Here's a sheet of cut-aparts, and then some stripes on the back. And then this is just stunning. All of these beautiful florals. And then the back is this peachish orange color of paper. So here's a look again at all those papers. And so I have lots to choose from for today's sketch. Today's sketch calls for some strips to be cut into 1 inch. So I need to pick through these pattern papers and see which ones that I want to use. We're going to be doing some paper weaving. And so I'm really excited to do that with you in today's video. All right, so these are the papers that I have chosen, and I did go ahead and cut 1 inch strips, and I cut 3 of each, not knowing how many I would need, but I went ahead and cut several. That way I'll have them ready, but I think I have a good mix of the colors. So I have the 1 by 12 inch strips, and I'm going to start by adhering them down to my background page here, and I just have a white 12 by 12 paper. I did bring in a mat here that has a grid so that I can kind of line these up with straight. I want to get the measurement straight for this first pass. So I'm adding a little bit of adhesive, and I'm using the refillable dot runner from scrapbook.com. And that adhesive allows you to lift it up if you need to. I think a lot of tape runners do, but this one in particular, it's a good tape runner, but it also gives you the time to lift it up if needed. So I'm going to continue adding my strips, and I'm not really worried about a pattern. So I've got the pink and the orange, and then I've got florals, and then the periwinkle, teal, green, and then the florals again. So here's where I'm going to start weaving. So I'm going to measure about 1.5 inches over, And I'm just going to start with this and go over, under for each of my strips. I am using my Cricut spatula to just kind of help me lift each of the strips to make the placement for each of these. And then I will start with the next strip. Now I won't do all of these on camera. I will do most of this off camera, but I just wanted you to see how easy this is, just over, under. So for this one, I'm gonna peel it up from this side over here, over, under, and then I'll just stick that back down. And there we go. And then I'll do the same thing here. And there we have it. So I'll finish the rest of those off camera. Now I want to add some stitching. You know, Allison is known for her gorgeous stitching. I don't consider myself an expert. In fact, I'm not a huge fan of it, mainly due to the time that it takes. But I have this little stitching set. You don't need a fancy set. And I went ahead and picked out the colors of embroidery floss that I think matches. And so for the pink, it's number 365. For the orange, it's 491. The purple there, I don't decide to use that one. And then I've got white, which is 144, and then blue is 398. And I'll leave these linked down below in the description box. But off camera, I did go ahead and start the stitching. And I just wanted to show you, I've got the pink. I just did on the either the top or the left side of the strips and all the way across. Now I'm noticing back as I'm editing this that green strip down there, it's not right. And so it's okay because I am going to end up adding a photo right there. And so you won't even see that little mishap with the green stripe. I don't know how that happened. And I lifted it up and put it back several times. I already had the other stitching, so I'm pointing it out right there to you that, yeah, I can't go back and fix it. And then there's a little piece on the green that I don't actually end up fixing in the video, but I do off camera. Now here's the photo that I want to scrapbook, and this is me and my boyfriend Dale, and we were in Rocky Mountain National Park. We were at Gem Lake. We hiked around the lake, and this was so much fun. This was our Colorado trip back in 2023. It actually ended up raining that day, and we just had a blast. We had raincoats on. Actually, he had bought me that raincoat for our trip. I didn't own a rain jacket. So I was excited to, I don't know, I'm kind of crazy, I guess. I thought it was so fun to just wear a raincoat. So fun. You'll see here that I did double map my photo. I print my photos at home on the Epson PictureMate 400 with the white border. And then I went ahead and added a piece of that pattern paper in the floral, and then I used another piece of the pattern paper in the pink to give it a nice border. I did go ahead and add some foam, just some craft foam to the back to pop that up. And now I'm adding one of the little tags that was in the tag set. And I love this little tag. It says Happy Little Moments, and I thought that would be perfect in the upper right-hand corner. Now, that's where I kind of went a little rogue. Allison's sketch did not have anything up there, but I thought it was super cute for my layout. Now I'm going to go through these ephemera packs, and I dumped them all into my stack and sort tray just so I could get a good look at them and have plenty to pick and choose from. These florals are amazing. I love the bright, vivid colors. Some of them have the little white border on them, and some of them don't. And so I liked mixing and matching. Now I know several people don't like florals with the white borders, so you know they've already got some with that trimmed off, but I kind of liked the mixture of just mixing them. So I'm going to add some of them. I'm going to add a little bit of foam tape. Others I'll glue right down to the layout. You'll see I added a little tab to the top of my photo, and now I'm just choosing other florals. I love that periwinkle purple color. That brings out the color in my shirt, so I definitely want to add that floral. And then I found this little sentiment strip that says "You are my happy," and then this cute little circle here that says "Love of my life." I like to mix elements of different size and shape, and so I like that one's like a rectangle and one's a circle. Just adds a little more dimension and interest. Off camera, I added a few more things. I have a little bird at the top there, and then I also have a little rainbow, and I like the way it's looking. Off camera, I did add an additional cluster up at the top with some more florals and a rainbow and a butterfly, and I did a little bit of journaling with a purple Le Pen, and that's the end of my layout. Super quick, super easy. I hope you've enjoyed this, and I hope you'll give stitching a try. If you've enjoyed today's video, please hit that thumbs up button. If you're new, I hope you'll subscribe and come back. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll catch you in the next video. Bye!